What are AI-ready cables? With the need for enhanced connectivity becoming the status quo, it can be a challenge to deliver AI performance with exceptional data speeds, unparalleled reliability, and robust durability. Not anymore. Siemens offers a complete line of AI-ready cables to meet the connectivity challenges of data center architectures that are pushing the boundaries of technology. We offer all the cable configurations you need, when you need them, with the technical support required to ensure your data-critical connections are reliable. That's what AI-ready means to us. With cutting-edge solution speeds up to 400G, we are leading the way of this high-speed revolution. Our AI-ready PAM4 direct-attach copper and active optical cables offer a sleek, optimized design allowing lower costs and lower power. Our DACs offer the lowest power and a minimum single bend radius of 1.4 inches, thanks to our flexible mesh jackets for best-in-class routing through high-density cabinets. Our AI-ready mesh jacket ensures effortless installation and adaptability, even in the